Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medibil Pro. I hope you guys will be fine and doing great and enjoy your good lives. So today we are going to continue our session of remote work from home and online kind of a jobs in medical billing field. So this is the job number 23 and we are going to cover a job which is placed or which is present in Islamabad city. So if you're residing in Islamabad city or want to relocate over there, then this is a good opportunity for you guys. And this company is going to provide you guys are they are offering handsome salary 70 to 80k and they are requiring only 1 to 3 year experience. So if you're a fresher or you are a beginner in this one, then you guys can just go and apply for this one job. This is a basically medical billing specialist job, so you guys can just go and explore this one and you guys can just apply on this one. So we will see what are the responsibilities or what are the different kind of perks and privileges they are offering to you guys, and you guys can just get on these ones. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the lecture. Okay, so as you guys can now see my screen, so this is the basically iconic company which is in Islamabad city. So you guys just need to go into over there and you guys then just go into the contact us section, and after that you guys need to go for the careers. Okay, so let's see what kind of a jobs do we have. So they are not only providing like medical billing kind of a jobs, they are also offering different kind of IT sectors as well. So if you are interested in IT kind of a job, then you guys can just go and apply on these ones. So first of all, we are just going to see that how we can just simply apply on medical billing specialist job. So the title is medical billing specialist. 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. as you guys know that medical billing specialists are working according to the USA schedule. USA schedule के time के मुताबिक ही हमें काम करना होता है. So you guys have to go for this one. Okay, so this is the location, plot number 176 Gorang Road near Rahat Bakers, I-10 3 by 3 Islamabad. Okay, so RHB is a subsidiary of Iconic Solutions. Reliable healthcare billing stands as a dynamic force within the healthcare sector. So इसको हम छोड़ते हैं, हम अपने पोजीशन पर्पस की तरफ चलते हैं. ठीक है, एजुकेशन एंड प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस क्या है? डिग्री होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट बैचलर. ठीक है, आप लोगों की जो डिग्री होनी चाहिए वो एटलीस्ट बैचलर होनी चाहिए इन हेल्थ केयर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और रिलेटेड फील्ड. Certifications, if you have a certification then that's a plus point, otherwise अगर आपके पास certification नहीं है then not a big problem. Okay, experience as I already mentioned 1 to 3 years आप लोगों के पास at least experience होना चाहिए for this job. ठीक है, जो हम जूनियर देखेंगे उसके अंदर एक्सपीरियंस अगर नहीं भी हो then that's not a big deal. Okay, so 2 years experience with RCM in medical billing and RCM softwares, proficiency in spoken English, native and bilingual is must. So if you have a good communication skills then that is a plus point, क्योंकि जब आपके पास इंग्लिश की कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होती हैं देन यू गाइस हैव अ प्लस पॉइंट एंड यू हैव अ गुड चांसेस टू बी हायर्ड. So what should be the responsibilities? Ensure the accuracy of patient demographics and insurance details prior to claim submission, meticulously reviewing and verifying information. Yes, these are the you guys can say the basic kind of a stuff. And if you are going through my YouTube channel, you guys can learn all these kind of a stuff for free. Okay, मेरे चैनल के ऊपर ऑलरेडी बेसिक कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं. Those are for free. That you guys can just go over there and watch all 50 lectures in a series way. उसके ऊपर medical coding related भी stuff है, उसके अलावा क्या कहते हैं medical billing का पूरा complete course है already available है. So you guys can just go over there and you guys can learn medical billing in a quick way. And you guys can also join my online batches as well. Currently we are ongoing with the third batch, and inshallah fourth batch will start in April after the Ramzan Sharif. Okay, so prepare and submit claims electronically via paper format to insurance companies adhering to the procedural guidelines for format for payment processing. Okay, analyze and interpret insurance explanation of benefits, promptly identifying the rectifying payment disparities for optimal reimbursements. If you have already worked for this kind of a like medical billing, because they are requiring a little bit experience in this job, so you guys know that what is the explanation of benefits and how they have processed the claim. Basically the insurance, when insurance is going to process a claim, then they are going to get you back with the ERA or EOB. Okay, so in that they are just going to explain all that kind of a stuff, that how they have basically processed the claim. उन्होंने क्लेम को प्रोसेस कैसे किया है, उसके अंदर क्या चीज़ें उन्होंने पे की हैं, क्या चीज़ें उन्होंने पेशेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनाई है, क्या चीज़ उनकी को इंश्योरेंस बनी है, और टोटल कितने चार्जेस. सो ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ इज एक्सप्लेन इन दैट काइंड ऑफ EOB और ERA. ओके, सो इस तरह की कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं. रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है? डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड एक्सपीरियंस 2 years इन मेडिकल बिलिंग इन कंपासिंग क्लेम सबमिशंस, पेमेंट पोस्टिंग, फॉलोअप्स, एलिजिबिलिटी चेक्स एंड डिनाइल मैनेजमेंट. कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर जिनके ऊपर आपकी अगर महारत हो, दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट. ECW, कैरियो, ये ऑफिस वे स्टार, ModMed, Trizeto, Revolution, HR, और ग्रीन वे। सो दीज आर द मींस ये कि काफ़ी सारे उन्होंने सॉफ्टवेयर यहाँ पर ऐड कर दिए हैं, बट इनके आपके एक दो के ऊपर भी एक्सपीरियंस है, देन दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर यू गाइस। Okay, familiarity with various medical being specialists, including internal medicine, urology, ophthalmology, behavioral health, skilled nursing home, home healthcare, and hospice. Okay, so proficient understanding of medical terminology, anatomy, and diverse insurance types such as Medicare, Medicaid, and commercial insurances. You guys know that these are the federal plans, Medicare and Medicaid. So if you have already worked on these one, then it's a plus point for you guys to be selected. So what kind of benefits they are offering? Competitive salary, tax exempted salaries, medical health insurance bonuses, annual leaves, casual leaves, sick leaves, bereavement leaves, marriage leaves, paternity leaves, maternity leaves, biannual reviews as well. So these are the plus points for you guys. Okay, so at Reliable Health Medical Billing, we believe in providing opportunities to all its employees. So ये मुझे कुछ इन्होंने चीज़ इन्होंने यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड की हैं. So after all that kind of stuff, you guys just need to go into I'm interested. Okay, so जैसे ही इसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे, यहाँ पर आप लोगों को अपनी रिज्यूमे अपलोड करनी है. That needs to be very professional one. Okay, so if you don't have a professional resume, then you guys can just go onto my YouTube channel. You guys can just see how I have prepared a professional resume just in within the 20 minutes. ठीक है, आप लोग वहाँ पर देख सकते हो, अपनी एक प्रोफेशनल प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसी बातें क्रिएट कर सकते हो. And you guys need to just add the basic information: name, last name, email address, mobile phone number, street address. Means these are kind of a personal information you guys need to add over here. Professional degrees के अंदर current आप किसी को job कर रहे हो and you want to relocate over there, then you guys can just go for it. आप लोगों ने अपनी job select करनी है कि आप भी fresher हैं, project lead हैं, कौन सी मीजिए आपकी position है, skill set आपके पास कौन से, education details, experience details, social links. अगर आपका कोई LinkedIn का account है, then you guys can add over here, or Facebook add over here. उसके बाद अपनी फोटो और रेज्यूमे. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें आपने ऐड करनी है. उसके बाद कैप्चा यहाँ पे ऐड करना है. These words need to be added over here. Then you guys need to submit your application. So after submitting the application, you will be just getting a confirmation email on your email address which you have already provided. ठीक है, जो भी आपने email address यहाँ पर दिया होगा उसके ऊपर आपको confirmation की email आ जाएगी. ठीक है, and if your qualifications and if they are going to verify these kind of things, ठीक है, अगर आपकी qualification according to these kind of stuff match करती है, then they will surely call you for an interview. And they are also going to provide you a handsome salary, 70 to 80k at least, क्योंकि इससे भी ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है depending on your experience. But initially 70 to 80k means कि जाहिर सी बात है आपके पास अच्छा work experience होगा, so they will surely offer you this kind of a salary as well. So in this way you guys can just apply for this medical billing specialist job. ठीक है, सो इस तरीके से आप लोगों ने इस जॉब के ऊपर अप्लाई कर देना है सिंपली. ठीक है, जो चीज़ें रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो मैंने आपको बता दी हैं. जो चीज़ें आप लोगों के पास होनी चाहिए, एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए 1 to 3 years at least, or they are going to offer you different kind of perks and privileges as well. So if you feel any kind of a difficulty, अगर आपको इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के लिए कुछ स्टफ चाहिए, you guys can just go onto my YouTube channel. You guys can just watch the series of interview. You guys can just see what kind of a different questions they can ask in an interview. So I have already uploaded different kind of lectures over that as well. So you guys can just see and watch all that kind of stuff on my YouTube channel. And if you guys have any questions, if you feel any difficulty while applying on this job, then you guys can let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so inshallah we'll meet in the different kind of next lectures. So till then, take care of yourself and of your family, and do remember me in your kind prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.